How to program motor. First you have to go on your favorite channel, like 5 6. I need for 6 channel. So first you have to connect remote with motor. Press motor one time, it will be jog one time, and then press middle button from the remote, it will be jog one time. Now motor connect with the remote, but we need programming. So how to be program? If down button go down, then good, and up go up, it's good. Sometime it's opposite side, like up button go down, down button go up. That time you guys have to press up button and down button together. Motor will be jog one time. Then you see this one now go opposite direction. So we need to do again same thing, up and down button together. Now down go down, up go up. So now this one good for programming. So you have to press down button, go your favorite position. Like this one is my favorite position, so I want to set here. So for this one you have to do middle button and down button press together. Motor will be jog 2 times. 1 2. Now bottom position is good, so I need now up button up position programming. For this one you have to press up button, go your favorite position. Stop, go little bit up, little where you want. So this one is my favorite up position. For this one we have to do same thing, up and stop button together, press, and it motor will be jog 2 times. Now up position and down position is done, so you have to just press little bottom button. You can check it's going by their self, it will be stopped by their self. So up position also stop by their self. Now this one done. Thank you.